what our next question says. It says, which of the following Java statements assigns a random integer between 10 and 30, inclusive to value? So what does this mean? This means we will have to evaluate each of the options and select the one which generates a random integer between 10 and 30, both inclusive. So before we start looking at the options, we will first discuss what is this mat.random. Well, this mat.random function gives a random number between 0 and 0.9999. So now what we will do is, we will try to look at each of the option and evaluate it. Let's evaluate option A. So mat.random multiplied by 10, which means we will multiply the range on both the ends, the numbers on both the ends by 10. So it becomes 0.029.9999. Now, we will take the integer range, which comes out to be 0 to 9. Adding 30 to both the ends, 0 plus 30, 30. 9 plus 30, 39. So option A will give a random integer in the range 30 and 39. Of course, this is not what we need. So we will eliminate option A. Now let us evaluate option B. So option B, let's say 0 to 0.9999. Now, once again, we are multiplying with 10, both the ends. So range becomes 0 to 9.9999. Taking the integer range, it becomes 0 to 9. Now adding 20 on both the ends, we get 0 plus 20 is 20 and 9 plus 20 is 29, which is again not that we need. So we will eliminate option B. Option B eliminated. Now let's look into option C. Let me write it down. 0 to 0.9999 when multiplied by 20 on both the ends gives 0 to 19.9999. Now taking the integer value on both the ends, the range becomes 0 to 19. Adding 10. So this becomes 0 plus 10, 10. Till 19 plus 10, 29. Well, that was very close. But then again, not what we want. So we will eliminate option C. Coming to option D, let me write down the range, original range of mat.random, 0 to 0.9999. Now multiplying it with 21. So multiplying with 21 makes the range 0 to 20.9999. Taking the integer value on both the ends, so range becomes 0 to 20. Adding 20 on both the ends, this becomes 20 and this becomes 40. So once again, we don't need this. Let us evaluate option E now and be positive. Because if this is not correct, we are going to be in trouble. All right, so let's evaluate option E. The initial range is 0 to 0.9999. Now we will multiply it by 21. So it becomes 0 to 20.9999. Okay, taking the integer range 0 to 20 and then adding 10. Adding 10 here becomes 10 and 30. Well, this is what we want. So option E is the correct option.